6-word memoirs, how to write your life story in 6 words. 6-word memoirs have become a popular way to tell one's life story in a succinct and powerful way. The 6-word memoirs have been inspiring writers, poets, and storytellers to express their innermost thoughts, feelings, and experiences with just 6 simple words. This blog post will discuss the history of 6-word memoirs, provide tips on how to create your own 6-word memoir, and explore the current trend of 6-word memoirs today. The 6-word memoir is a unique and powerful way to tell your life story. It was first popularized by Ernest Hemingway in his famous 6-word story, For Sale, Baby Shoes, Never Worn. Since then, many have used the 6-word memoir to express themselves in fewer than 140 characters. Smith Magazine first implemented the 6-word memoir in its magazine, which has grown into publishing articles and books about memoirs submitted that has grown over the years. Writing your own 6-word memoir is surprisingly simple. All you need to do is think about your own life and experiences and write down the most meaningful or significant words that come to mind. Try to capture the essence of your life in a few simple words. Some examples of 6-word memoirs include Still Learning, Still Exploring, or Filled with Joy, Grace, and Hope. In recent years, the 6-word memoir has taken on new life as an online trend. Thousands of people around the world have participated in the 6-word memoir project, posting their stories in Smith Magazine, on Twitter and other social media sites. Books have been compiled of the memoirs collected. It's also become a popular writing exercise in classrooms and universities around the world. In today's digital age, the 6-word memoir is still a powerful way to tell your story and connect with others.